Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to activate GitHub Student Developer Pack without any issues. There are many things you need to set up to properly activate it. So, let's see how to do it. Before you go to website, there are things you need to set up. These are things. Don't use VPN or Proxy. Better to use university Wi-Fi connection. Also better to stay in university when you are doing this. At least stay in same country. Now we need sign up for GitHub account. For this, it's better to use your university email. If you already have a GitHub account, you can add your university email to it. Follow this process to add it. Click on Profile icon. Click on Settings. Click on Email. Type your university email, click on Add. After you log in, you can see page like this. Now we need to add some details to GitHub account. Click on Billing Information. You need to add your true details here. It's important to remember that you need to put first name and last name as containing in your university student ID. After filling, save it. After you added your email, you need to verify it. You can easily do it. GitHub will send you email. You can verify it following that email. Now we need to set up two-factor authentication on your GitHub account. Click on Profile. Click on Settings. Click on Password and Authentication. Scroll down. Click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication. You can set up two-factor authentication here. Next we need to set up GitHub profile. Click on Profile. Click on Settings. You need to put name as containing in University Student Idaho. After save it. Now you need to add README file. For this, we need to create GitHub Repository. Click on New button. Type any name. Tick on Add a README file option. Click on Create Repository button. Here type your school or university name and click on Continue button. Now they will ask you to enable location in your browser to access your location. Allow it. Now you need to upload proof of your academic status. Best proof is University Student ID. For taking picture of your ID, use Take a Picture option without using Upload an Image option. If you did everything correctly, your application will be approved like this. After approved, you can get GitHub Student Developer Pack benefits within 3 to 5 days. If your application rejected, they will tell what things you need to fix. You can see example here.